No U-Turn is rolling our wheels into one of India's most holy and sacred places and also a place of pilgrimage, that's Haridwar. Yes, nestled in the laps of the Shivalik mountain ranges and on the banks of the river Ganga. We are taking you for a ride with us. A giant statue of Shiva, which is in the standing position, is one of the first sights to greet you as one enters Haridwar. Most of the city is located in and around the banks of the river Ganga. At Haridwar, they have artificially diverted the flow of the main Ganga river into what is popularly known as the Ghat section. Haridwar is also the venue of the Kumbh Mela, which is held once every 12 years and is also one of the key pilgrimage checkpoints for Hindus. We suggest that when you're looking for accommodation in Haridwar, you check out one of the many ashrams there. Now, these ashrams are very safe for kids and families. They have parking available and they have rooms of different sizes that can cater to your needs. We chose Jairam Ashram as we've had a wonderful experience there in the past as well. Not just that, they also have their own private ghat. Now that's us on the steps of the ghat, enjoying an undisturbed and private view of the Ganga. We've hired a local electric rickshaw to take us right to the street food, and what an experience it was. Haridwar being a holy and pilgrimage destination, it's primarily vegetarian and sometimes even without onion and garlic. But the food rocks and we enjoyed each and every bit of it. Take a look. After food, the first stop is Mansa Devi temple. Now you can do the ropeway or you could trek it up. We chose the ropeway. Once our cable car ascends into the mountains, the view of Haridwar presents itself and it's such a magnificent and enchanting experience. Just take a look. After visiting the temple, you have some spots where you can get some amazing photos clicked. Now, along with Mansa Devi, there is another temple which is Chandi Devi, which is on the other side of the Ganga river. And typically you can get a combination ticket where they will actually transport you from one venue to the other, and all the charges are included, including the cable car charges. There I am on the Chandi Devi ropeway. When you're in Haridwar, it is advisable that you keep all your valuables and food items, especially water bottles, safely tucked away in a backpack, as monkeys tend to snatch them away thinking it's food. Next stop for us, Har Ki Pauri. This literally translates to footsteps of the Lord. This is believed to be the place where the mythical Brahma Kund is located. After taking a dip in the holy waters, we find ourselves a lovely spot to witness the famous Ganga Aarti. Now, if you only want to observe the Aarti, the best spot is the Ghat, which is opposite Har Ki Pauri. But if you want to actually take part in it and do some puja yourself, then the local priests will help you out. But do make sure you book your slot in advance. Next, we take you to the streets where we witness the markets of Haridwar. Now, most of the stuff that you'll get out here will be religious in its significance and nothing really that your local Indian city markets will not give you. So, we give it a pass, but remember to not miss out on the yummy food stalls in this area. We hope you enjoyed the video. That was Haridwar for you, the No U-Turn way. Do subscribe to our channel to stay in touch with all our latest releases. And keep those messages and comments flowing in. We really appreciate them. This is No U-Turn signing off, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care and be safe.